Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. So here it is, I'm finally getting the Samsung One UI 3.1 update, literally a month after they updated it to One UI 3.0. Good on you, Samsung, doing a good job there. So let's see what this new update brings. It's about 1.5 gigabytes, and it comes with the February 1st to 2021 security patch. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Oh, here you go. That looks good. This is the One UI 3.1 Android 11 update, which brings brand new features. Okay, one feature I've been dying to try is this object removal. And let's have a look. Okay, so if I remember correctly, you go into Labs, switch it on, go back, and there you go, it's right there. So let's just get rid of those. Tap objects you want to erase. Okay, that one and that one, and erase. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Alright, but as you can see here, see that it's a bit smudgy. It doesn't always do a good job from what I understood. Right, that's one bit. Another one is another feature that you got here is when you're sharing, you can remove location data now. See that there? Remove the location data before sharing it. Okay, another thing I've been dying to see is if they put second screen on this or not. Let's have a look. They have not. That is such a shame. Edit buttons, let's see if there's anything here. No, oh my god, Samsung, come on. I don't know what to say. I can't find it here. Alright, everything else seems to be fine. Yeah, seems to be as fluid as possible. That's good. Let's go into the settings and see what else they've put. Phone has been updated about. Let's see, software update, last update. Okay, let's see what it says here. Right, well, in the calendar you can extract the date and address from the event title and recommend automatic registration. Receive notifications from SmartThing devices that also have specified schedule notifications. For the camera, the performance of camera has been improved. The display, eye comfort shield function has been added. The color temperature of the screen automatically adjusts for the time of day, which is good. Buds auto switching. Support buds auto switching between Galaxy phone and tablet. Reminder, extract the date and address from the reminder memo and recommend to register automatically. The share sheet, it is now possible to protect your privacy by deleting the location information, just like I said. Previously taken photos before sharing or posting them on social media and social platform. You synchronize valid links created on devices with the same registered Samsung account. The use of social media services has been simplified. It is possible to share profiles, photos, notes, schedules and more with friends simply by logging into your Samsung account. In Photo Editor, Object Eraser feature has been added to Labs in Photo Editor. Using Erase Objects allows you to erase an object which you want in the photo. Okay, and as you can see down here, it's just shy, 15 megabytes shy of a gigabyte and a half with the February 1st update. Right, that's it guys. I was really looking forward to see if they put the second display, but they didn't, did they? So, okay, so, alright, let's go to details here. Let's see this adaptive. Right, so you can change it, or choose a custom. You can switch it on, choose custom, choose the color temperature that's right for you, and set a schedule for when to apply. I have it between 10 and 6 in the morning. Automatically adjust your screen's colors based on the time of day. You'll see minor adjustments during the day and significantly warmer colors at night. That's really nice. Okay. And let's have a look at that camera application again. Let's find a picture we can erase. Something we can... Alright, let's do that with the car. Let's see what happens there. Okay. So then you edit. And then you go to Object Eraser there. Yeah, tap the objects that you want to erase. So I'm going to erase that car. And erase. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That is crazy. And you can obviously, if I remember correctly, revert or save. If I save, will I be able? Let's edit again. Okay, you can still revert. So if you decide you've done a mistake and you don't like it, you can just revert to original. There you go. It's back again, like magic. So let's try it one more time. Save it. Edit. Object eraser. And I want to get rid of that tree. And I want to erase it. Okay, didn't do that good of a job. But I think this will work more for smaller objects like that. Erase. There you go. That looks perfect. Can I do it again? Okay, so let's just say I want to get rid of all these rocks. Let's see what it does. Not the best job in the world, but it'll do. Anyway, have a play around with it. Download it, have a play around with it. I think it's pretty good. I was half expecting they'd put the I know I'm keep on going on and on about it, but I really like that that option on the Tab S7 Plus. But unfortunately you can't do it. Let's see what Dex does now. Let's see, I'll switch it on. Oh, look at that, that's changed, hasn't it? Dex on TV or monitor. Okay. Okay. You can switch to PC. Alright, we're all learning something new here. Let's go Dex on PC. So if you connected this and you got Dex on your PC, you can use it, which defeats the purpose of having Dex. But anyway. Okay, that looks nicer. Right, I'm curious to find out what else there is. Let's see, details. That's the same. Advanced. That's the same. Alright, well, guys. Let's have a look there. Devices. Wow, it's got all my... Okay, wow. That's nice. Smart Thing's nice. Let's see what media does. Okay, music share, smart view. Alright. Settings. Show earbuds when available, show app shortcuts, no. That's really nice. I'm liking this. What about here? Have they done anything to the... Yeah, no. Let's see. Settings. No, nothing new has changed here. Messages, nothing new has changed. Oh, something new here. Chat settings. Faster, richer, higher quality chat on Wi-Fi or data. Okay. Turn on chat features from Google. And what does this? Use without chat features. I wonder what this is about. I haven't seen this before. Don't know if I want to try that. Maybe I'll try it out later and see. What's it got in there? Anything here? Settings? Nothing. Let's have a look at that again. I'll use it without chat features for now. Okay, what else do we have? Well, as far as I can see, that's it. Let's go back to the last update. Alright, so Bud's auto switching, so you can switch between your tab and your phone easily. Now, I guess. Let's try that out. I mean, you could have done this before anyway, but... Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but... There you go. Let's try it again. Okay, I'm back. I hope. Let's see. Yeah, I'm back. Right, that's it. This turned into a 13-minute video. Right. This is Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below to let us know what you think of the new One UI 3.1 update. And we'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.